This is the trigger, and in this trigger we are getting all the information from SmartLead. If lead interested, if it is not interested, if it is out of office, or it says do not contact, we will get everything, right? And then what happens next? We will create a contact, update opportunity, add tag, and internal notification whenever we get a reply from SmartLead, right? Campaigns. So here I added a condition. If lead is interested, it will update the opportunity stage and then add a tag as well, right? We are not going to send email because we are already sending email from SmartLead subsequence, right? If a lead says that it needs an information, then what happens, we will quickly send an email. I already wrote an email, you can check it here, but if you want to update anything here, just let me know. And then after that, it will create an opportunity as well, or update it and add a tag. If a lead says do not contact, we will send a polite message, okay, we will step back, but you're always welcome, and here's the little email. You can have a look on this as well if you want to change something, right? And update the opportunity as well, here do not contact, right? After that, it is out of office. So if somebody replies by saying he's out of office, we can send her an email as well, that we will reach out to you. I will fix that email, just a sample one, so I will just only this one left rather than all have done. Next, we'll create an opportunity as well by saying that this is out of office, so we know that we have to reach them again, and we can add a tag again as well, so it will be easy for us to handle. So that is the thing I want to really share with you. This is really easy to handle, and then we go further with this workflow, and we don't need to create a lot of workflows right this way. Thank you.